Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell here at Snow Joe, and today we're going to be taking a look at our SPX-ACS-MAX, our auto cleaning system for pressure washers. So let's dive in, let's take a look. This kit comes with 6 pressure washer accessories and 7 adapters to be able to tie in just about any pressure washer to this system. Our utility brush here has durable, feathered bristles to give us a gentle scrubbing action as that water comes out. Now it's great for your cars, it's great for your windows, but it's also great for so many other surfaces. Our rim and wheel brush here does an amazing job of getting in between the parts on your rims and cleaning off any of that road grime on your tires, giving us that scrubbing action in those tight spaces. Our rotary brush here sports a 5.7-inch diameter brush head with a 180-degree rotational head right here. So all you have to do is undo that knob there and we can spin this handle around and this head can point in any direction that we want there. As this spins away all that gunk and grime, that rotary action gives us that deep clean for our cars, for our windows. And of course, we also have this, which is really nice. We have an extension right here with our turbo nozzle at a right angle. With that turbo nozzle, we get that rotary spray that gives us that incredibly fast, powerful clean. With that 20-inch extension and that right angle turbo nozzle, we can reach under our cars and into other hard to reach areas to get everything perfectly clean as needed. Now we also get a really nice microfiber towel, 16 by 16 inches, gives us one of the easiest ways to wipe everything down and not leave a scratch. And all of our pressure washer accessories here tie in using that twist lock connection there. So we have 7 different adapters here to tie in all of these accessories using that twist lock connection, really covering the full gamut. This kit gives us a comprehensive solution when it comes to cleaning our car, not to mention getting all of these adapters, making sure that this has the most universal fit, makes this one of the easiest ways to get that perfect squeaky clean on your car. Check it out, our SPX-ACS-MAX.